guthodeka cukari kire ikoragwo Nzoia nikirugamitie mihango yao undu umwe na Kuhingwo kumana na uyihu wa igwa bururiini igukoro igwa makakoro makigetha igwa itakorete undu uria utumaga cukari wage cama naho ni kuringana na ndomiriri iria ikorirwo ikirekererio ni murugamiriri munene wa gikundi giki na iganda cia cukari ikoretwo ikigomerwo ni mathina kiheri akuria iganda nyingi ikoretwo ikihingwo ari hamwe na Kiganda kia Mumias.
As you are maybe aware that the sugar industry has been passing through a challenge of cane shortage, whereby millers have been milling cane that is underage. This called for the attention of the regulator, that is the Agriculture and Food Authority, the Sugar Directorate, who actually wrote to us after several meetings together with them in the month of May and also in the month of July. And they wrote to us on 17th of July, suspending all milling activities because of harvesting immature cane. The factories, as you are aware, some of them have closed, like West Kenya, both in Kakamega and also in Naitiri. Butali has also closed down. Busia has closed down. Mumias has closed down. And now including Nzoia, whereby today we have called you today just to tell you that also we are suspending milling operations in line with the regulator, who also wrote to us, ensuring that we observe what the
na tukitigana na ripoti iyo ya Kiganda ya cukari kia Nzoia.